What I want to do is turn our attention to doing something that is going to have a little bit more permanence. To begin this demonstration, I'm going to try and spend more time on the detail after the initial drawing's done. But I want to take you through step by step, and it's going to involve a little preparation. So I'm starting with a blank piece of paper and a ruler or another piece of paper to mark the lines and decide if I'm going to have an edge or a margin on this particular one. A ruler makes it easier because I can take and draw the lines down the edge using a piece of paper and keeping the distance from the edge the same. What I'm trying to do is keep a handling edge, and you will see that when I draw these lines, I'm using my thumb along the bottom of this ruler to feel if it's in line with the edge of the paper. And I'm getting parallel distance or even spacing on both sides, so that if somebody does touch the paper here, I'm handling it with that, it's not the end of the world. When I finish, I'll actually have the picture matted, and the mat will cover a little bit of that line anyways. I'll take a strip of tape, start it on my line, and everything underneath will be protected, and nothing will get underneath that tape. And I'll do it on this side also. I'm not sure where I'm going to end this picture, and I actually might in the demonstration move this a little closer, so I'm going to leave this for a minute and show you what I'm trying to achieve here. If I take this scrap piece of paper that I was using to rest my hand on and put a piece of tape down, if I grab some of this carbon dust or graphite with a pencil or whatever I wanted, however I wanted to apply it, I'm just putting a little bit on here without getting too much. And if I take a cotton swab and start darkening this area to the top of this tape from my view, you can see where the tape is half covered in graphite. And I can work with freedom in this area knowing I'm going to have a clean edge. Because when I take this tape off, it's not sticking, I just don't have the longest nails. I now have a clean mark left, and that is something I want to do. I want to keep the area here nice and clean. It's a way to present your work a little bit better to the potential buyer.